Welcome back to another Aspire to Be video. It's T. And by the title, you should know what we're looking at already, so let's get right on to the video.
Hi, it's your girl L, and yes, today we'll be doing T's nails. Well, with readily prepped nails, we're adding the base coat, as you know, the gel base coat, and then we put that under the gel lamp for about 1 to 2 minutes. Then this is a nude color we'll be putting on her nails. That's the base color for the design today, and you'll see what's next. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Hit that post notification bell button to become an Aspire to Be star and join our galaxy if you haven't already. Let's get back to the video. Today's nail design is of an abstract. We use the brush and some baby blue gel nail polish to intricately make the drawings on the nails, and we also use some light pink. You'll see the design in the end, what it finally looks like, and we also use some gems. If you'd like to see more nail videos, click the iCard up above to see our playlist of all the Aspire to Be nail design. Now this is the blue part. Now we're gonna get onto the pink and then add the gems. If you want to explore other aspects of our Aspire to Be galaxy, head on over to Aspire to Be channel page, where you have playlists of different aspects of our galaxy. So we have a nature playlist there, we have our nails playlist, and we have food playlist. So just head on over to the Aspire to Be channel page so you can find out, explore our galaxy. Finishing up the design, we put the nails under the lamp for about 2 minutes or 1 to 2 minutes. And here you can see the gems and the abstract. Not seeing it clear, but you'll see it soon. Afterwards, final touches, we did put some cuticle oil on there to hydrate those cuticles. Aspire to Be stars and potential Aspire to Be stars, remember you can follow us on Instagram at aspire.to_be. Give us some likes, share our content, give us some suggestions. Who knows, we even might post you on our story. Now this is the finished design, where the blue gems and pink gems with the blue and pink abstract design on the base nude gel nail polish. Drop some comments in the comment section.
Thanks for watching the video, and remember, aspire to be the star you truly are. Until next time.